Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel. Learn with ease. Today we will learn phonic sound of F. 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 Fa. Fa. Fish. Fish. Fa. Frog. Frog. Fa. Falcon. Falcon. Fa. Fox. Fox. Fa. Flamingo. Flamingo. Let's learn some more words of sound F. Fa. Fisherman. Fisherman. Now see carefully what this fisherman is doing. See what he is doing? Fishing. Fishing. Fa. Fishing. Fisherman is fishing. Next. Fa. Fruits. Fruits. Fa. Fresh. Fresh. Are these fruits fresh? Fresh. Fa. Finger. Fa. Finger. Now join and fold your fingers. What's this? Fist. Fist. Like this. Join and fold your fingers. Fist. Fa. Father. Fa. Father. Fa. Family. Family. I love my family. Fa. Fire. Fa. Fire. I give you warmness. I am fire. Fa. Fire brigade. Fire brigade. Don't worry, we are here to protect you. Fa. Fire. Fa. Fire brigade. Fa. Feast. Fa. Feast. Try to speak with me. Fa. Feast. Let's have a feast. Fa. Festival. Fa. Festival. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Wish you a happy Diwali. Fa. Festival. Fa. Fairy. Fa. Fairy. Fa. Fairy tale. Stories of fairy tale. I like fairy tales most. Guess what's in picture? Now it's your turn. Guess what's in picture? Who am I? I help you in summers. Give you cool air. Who am I? Fan. Fan. Fa. Fan. Fa. Fan. Now this, what is this? What is this, guys? Fa. Guys, what is this? I protect you from dust, thrones. Who am I? Footwear. Fa. Footwear. Next, let us see. Can you guess this? Yes, you like it most. What is this? I am crispy. I am crispy and very tasty. Who am I? Fries. 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 Next, who am I? I give you sweet fragrance. Who am I? I make you feel happy. Flower. Flowers. 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 Now guess what's this? Who is he? Who is he? He always helps you. Who is he? Friend. Friend. Fabulous guys. Fabulous. Great job. Keep it up. Now let's learn sound blend of alphabet F. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? A. A. What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of A? A. Now join these two sounds. F, A. F, A. Fat. 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 F, A. Face. Face. Now next, what is this? E. E. What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of E? E. Now join these two sounds. F, E. F, E. F. F. Fence. Fence. F, E. F. Feather. 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 Try to speak with me. What is this? I. What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of I? E. Now join these two sounds. F, E. Fee. Fee. Fig. Fig. F, E. Fee. Fin. 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 Fins help me to swim. Now next, see, who is this? L. L. What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of L? La. Now join these two sounds. Fl. F. L. Fl. Fl. Flag. Flag. F. L. Fl. Flash. Flash. Flash of light. Now see, what is this? O. O. What is the sound of F? What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of O? O. Now join these two sounds. F, O, fo. Fo. Fold. Fold the paper. Fold like this. F, fo. Folder. Folder. Keep your documents in the folder. What is this? R. R. What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of R? R. F, R. Fr. Fr. Frame. Frame. Frame my picture. F, R. Frog. Frog. My lovely frog. Now see, what is this? U. U. And what is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of U? A. Now join these two sounds. F, A. F. F. Fun. Fun. have fun. F, furniture, furniture. Fantastic, guys. Keep it up. You have learned the sound of F. F, fur. Soon I will be back with my new video. Next video on sound of G. G. I hope you liked my video. So, before leaving, subscribe, like, and share my channel. Goodbye. Take care.